Hey guys, welcome back to Eating Good with Rick and Jerry. Today we have for you a spinach ricotta stuffed shells. So you're going to start with 5 quarts of water, boil it, and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, and you're going to boil the pasta for 9 minutes. You're going to chop 1 shallot, you're going to chop 2 garlic cloves. You're also going to need some mozzarella. You're going to shred that, 1 cup of that. You're going to need 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. You're going to shred that as well. And you're also going to need a 16-ounce bag of frozen spinach, or you can use, regular spinach. It's up to you. You're going to drain the pasta and the shells and place in a large baking sheet to cool. So that's very important, guys. You're going to let it cool so the noodles can harden again. You're going to get 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil and heat it up. And now you're going to cut open your spinach and you're going to drain it. And place the spinach on a towel if you like, and you're going to press it dry with a towel, or just squeeze out all the liquid as much as you can. You don't really want too much liquid because then the shells are going to be overrun with fluid. So now you're going to add your chopped shallot into the olive oil you just put in the pan, as well as your chopped garlic. You're going to saute that for about maybe 3 minutes just to get all the flavors into the olive oil. Get all the flavors extracted. Next, you're going to add in your spinach. Just add it up, shred it up in there, and you're going to add about a half teaspoon of salt. You're going to continue to saute this mixture for about 3 minutes. You're just basically mixing all the stuff together. And in a separate container, you're going to add 2.5 cups of ricotta cheese. You're going to add 1 cup of shredded Parmesan, and then the extra half cup of mozzarella you had left over. Now you're going to top that with a 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and add a half teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to add your sauteed spinach to the mixture. And also you're going to get 1 egg. You beat it up and you throw it in there. And now combine the ingredients. Mix it all up together. Make sure it's all nice and smashed, and get everything covered everywhere. You don't have any spots without any of the seasoning. In a large baking pan, add in some olive oil smeared around, and then now that your shells are nice and cool, stuff them. And now you stuff them with the ricotta that you just made, and make sure to you stuff them all and get a whole pan full and get them all ready. Now you're going to add your favorite pasta sauce. If you want, you can use whatever you like. It doesn't matter. Just get some, put it on there. Add in your half cup of mozzarella cheese and just spread it around evenly throughout the whole pan. And then you're going to also add your 1 cup of Parmesan cheese that you have. So out of the 2 cups, you add 1 to the mixture, and then the other cup goes into the pasta. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and cover your pans with aluminum foil and throw them in there. You're going to bake them for about 25 minutes. After the 25 minutes, remove the foil and broil for another 8 minutes. And then you're going to have that crispy, nice cheese right on the top, and it's going to be ready to serve and enjoy. So I hope you guys like this video, guys. It's really easy to make. It's just kind of time consuming because you have to build the pasta shells and add the sauce to it and then put the cheese over it and throw it in the oven for another half hour. But in the end, the reward is amazing, and this is an easy recipe you can do at home, and it's pretty cheap too. It's not that expensive. Add in some your favorite garlic bread or whatever you want, and that's it, guys. So again, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Hit that like button, and if you want, hit that notification bell so you know exactly when we have our next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.